this at all. Might need to cut some of this. What's going on? Oh, dude! You're just gonna slam your brakes like that? What a punk. You got it on dashcam, bro. Go straight to jail. Ah, it's Arizona, of course. Probably some snowbird trying to scam. I bet they think they're getting a huge settlement. They are not getting a dime. They're gonna go to jail for scamming, or at least slamming your brakes in front of somebody causing an accident. Jeez. Bro, you're getting in everyone's way. What a nuisance. Me first. Oh my gosh. Get off my butt! You're too close to me! Darn it!
Shining when you see him, going ping. Diamonds on me shining when it's dim. Boom, ping, ping. Diamonds on me dancing like it breezy over easy.
Oh my gosh, people, please. And you got a trailer? Dude.
Now, I'm really mad.
Oh, bro, we're merging. Why would you pass like that? Oh! It was not your green, bro. That was close. You're gonna cut off the semi and then slow down. You know you can barely fit in there.
Et effectivement, Tony ne l'était plus gendarme, donc il a...
There you go. Yeah, that's
Oh, dude, no. Oh my gosh. How selfish can you be? Man, that's when you need like the undercover cop just chilling by. Instant karma is deserved right here, man. Bro, you are hogging 3 lanes. Are you serious? Are you taking off your belt? What are you doing? Get out of the way. Yo, lady. Yo, does she have a gun? What's going on? If she's got a gun, I am plowing through her. Oh, she's stuck. All right. What a nice guy. All right. Good Samaritans to the rescue. I misjudged. She looked like she was ready to throw down all of a sudden. What was that about? Or I'm just misreading body language because I'm watching too many negative videos. Don't always assume the worst in people.